to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make a recipe with brinjal and some potatoes without putting any masalas. I will show you what I will use. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, put some mustard oil. I have taken some jeera. This I will put in for the foran. I have chopped up 1 onion and 2 green chilies over here, slitted. This I will put in. Now I will put in the brinjal and potato. Put some salt. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Friends, the water which was coming out from the brinjal is dried up, you can see. I have chopped up 2 tomatoes, this I will put in. Add some water. Cover it up and let it cook. Let the water dry completely. Friends, this brinjal and potato recipe is done. I haven't used any masalas. Thanks for watching my video.